Hi, everybody. I think all of you are fine and doing marvelous in Unlock 6 second phase just before Diwali. Today, we will be having a session on willpower. Willpower. Boom. Now, what is willpower? So many people, lot of thoughts. So many people are thinking in a different fashion. Now, some can succeed and some cannot. Now, what do you get out of this picture? Lots and lots of people thinking in different aspects, but a selective percentage of these people will come out and succeed. As you see, Mark Inglis, the mountaineer, he has been an inspiration to a lot of youths as well as to the aged who had been to Alps and almost covered all the major mountain peaks. Can you see how and what he did? Just see what he did. Can you ever think of it? With a artificial leg, we have our individual legs, but still we cannot think of climbing a mountain. And this gentleman has been so strong enough in his mind with that willpower to cover the mountains. Here is the pocket dynamite, Pradeep Kumar Singh, Mr. Universe. Now, he has been the brand ambassador of HIV and AIDS. What you think? I will not. I will not. Here, what we choose to do and choose not to define us. हमें अपना सोच कहां तक हमें ले जाएगा? What we choose to do and choose not to define us. You wish to go for a walk or a gym, knowing how good it is for your health and how wonderful you feel afterwards, but you feel too lazy and prefer to watch TV instead. You realize that you need to change your eating habits, stop smoking, but you don't have the inner power and persistence to change these habits. I personally, being a chain smoker, used to fag almost several packs of cigarette a day. A day I thought that, am I controlling my mind? The day was 10th of December 2000 at Nagpur. I quit smoking. Not a single fag after that, till 2020. How many times have you said, I wish I had the willpower too? हम बार बार ये सोचते हैं ना, और हम बार बार अपने दिमाग पे भी बोलते रहते हैं, काश हमें भी ये जिद होता तो, हमारे भी ऐसा कोई एक विल पावर बनता. What is willpower? The ability to overcome the laziness and procrastination. हम हर दिन जो कर रहे हैं और हर दिन जो सोच रहे हैं, उस सोच से क्या आगे बढ़ते हैं? No, we are not. हमें विल पावर will have to overcome the laziness, the ability to control or reject unnecessary or harmful impulses, the ability to arrive at a decision and follow it with perseverance until its successful accomplishment. हम कुछ चीज सोच के रखे हैं, अगर उस चीज जो सोच के रखे हैं उसके साथ क्या टाइम जोड़ा है, ठान लिया कि मेरे को वो मिलना ही है, मेरे को उस चीज पाना ही है, the inner power that overcomes the desire to indulge in unnecessary and useless habits, and the inner strength that overcomes inner emotional and mental resistance for taking action. That's the willpower. Self-discipline. The companion of willpower. अगर हमारे पास डिसिप्लिन नहीं है, हम सोचते रहेंगे मगर उस सोच के साथ हम काम नहीं करेंगे तो कोई भी सपना पूरा नहीं होता. The self-discipline, the companion of willpower, it gives one strength to preserve in whatever he or she does. It gives the ability to withstand hardships, whether physical, mental, or emotional. It grants the ability to reject immediate satisfaction in order to gain something better, but which requires effort and time. For my students who are in sports, you need to postpone a lot of things to achieve your goal. You have your education to do, and you have the dream to be successful in sports. For my colleagues who are pursuing medical and who are in their daily practice, you need to come out of the laziness, have a disciplined thought process, and thus you can get the inner willpower ignited. The self-discipline grants the ability to reject immediate satisfaction in order to gain something better, but which requires effort and time. These two powers help us to choose our behavior and reaction instead of being ruled by them. ये दो जो गजब की जो खूबियां है ना, जो शक्ति है, इसको अगर हमारे अंदर समा लिया तो हम कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, कुछ भी. और वो है अपना सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन. The exercising of willpower. Willpower does not allow the expression of unimportant, unnecessary, and unhealthy thoughts, feelings, actions, and reactions. This saved energy is stored inside you like a battery. It becomes available at a time when you actually need it. बहुत लोग बोलेगा नहीं कर पाओगे. You cannot, you may not. तुम कोशिश करते रहो, तुम नहीं कर पाओगे, उसका बात मत सुनो. हमारे क्या इम्पोर्टेंट है, keep that in mind. कभी कोई अनइम्पोर्टेंट एक्सप्रेशन हमारे अंदर समेटने मत देना. और ये जो अंदर का शक्ति, जो ऊर्जा हम बचा के रखे ना, जब काम का टाइम आएगा तब हम ये ताकत को इस्तेमाल पे ला सकते हैं. You are sitting in a bus or a train and an old man or woman or a pregnant lady walks in. Stand up and give up your seat even if you prefer to stay seated. ये तो अपने अंदर में होना चाहिए. There are dishes in the sink that need washing, and you postpone washing them for later. Get up and wash them now. It's applicable for couples too. पूरा लॉकडाउन फेज पे बहुत सारे जोक्स चलते रहे कि द इंजीनियर्स आर डूइंग द डिशेस, बट एक दूसरे का अगर कॉम्प्लीमेंट करते रहेंगे तभी ना वो टीम वर्क बना रहेगा एक फैमिली का. डोंट रीड some unimportant gossip in the newspaper, even if you want to. कब क्या कौन बोला क्या होगा, इस सितारे का ये हुआ उस सितारे का ये बोला, भाड़ में गया वो सब. जरूरत नहीं है हमारे लिए. हमारे लिए कौन सा काम जरूरी है, हमारे फोकस कौन सा है. बी अ लीडर फॉर योर ओन सेल्फ. व्हेन यू सी ऑन द मिरर, you have a desire to eat something so not too healthy. For the sake of exercise, refuse the desire. हम कोई डाइट प्लान मेंटेन कर रहे हैं, एक्सरसाइज का वो रेजीम हमें मेंटेन करना है, तो forget it, forget the fast food. If you find yourself thinking unimportant, unnecessary and negative thoughts, try to develop a lack of interest in them by thinking about their futility and uselessness. ये बोलना बहुत आसान है, करने में बहुत दिक्कत है, और वही कैसे हम करते हैं हम वही दिखाएंगे. Never say that you cannot follow the above exercises, because you certainly can. Most of these exercises can be practiced anytime, anywhere and at any time. बहुत सारे चीज है कि हम चाहते हुए भी नहीं करते क्योंकि हमें करने का इच्छा नहीं होता है. Once I had a fracture on my right leg due to a bike accident. I had to sit on the bed for almost 3+ months before stepping on the floor. But during that time, I found that even the stretching of my right leg, a very small exercise, is so important. And after that, when I started taking baby steps, my son, whom I had taught how to learn step 1, step 2, he made me learn how to walk. And those are the exercises which were very common, but commonly हम लोग नहीं करना चाहते हैं. मजबूरी वो करने को सिखाया, और ये एक लाइफ रियलिटी है. हम कोई भी एक्सरसाइज अगर उसको अपने ट्रेनर से पूछे या अपने दिमाग में समेट ले, हम कहीं भी किसी भी वक्त कर सकते हैं जो हमारे लिए जरूरी है. और मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, कंट्रोल योर थॉट्स. ये जो दिमाग का स्विच है ना, ये जगह, ये स्विच को ऑन और ऑफ रखना, ये बहुत बहुत मेहनत का काम है. आप तो 2 kg 500 3 kg ऐसे करते करते आप वेट एंड अदर्स आप बना सकते हो, बट ये दिमाग का जो स्विच है, इसको कंट्रोल पे लाना, it takes a lot of time, and you need to gain a lot of inner strength. Become the master of your mind. Enjoy inner peace and happiness. अगर आप खुद के ऊपर हंस सकते हो ना, तो आपको कोई भी बाहर का नेगेटिव थॉट्स आपको छू नहीं सकता है, एंड यू कैन अचीव सक्सेस. सो that great saint who had changed millions of lives across the globe, just within those 44 years he lived, Swami Vivekananda. What Swamiji said, all knowledge that the world has ever received comes from the mind. The infinite library of the universe is in your own mind. जो ज्ञान हमें प्राप्त होता है वो हमारे ही जैसे कोई मनुष्य के दिमाग से आए और उसी ज्ञान से जो एक इनफाइनाइट लाइब्रेरी है हमारे पूरा विश्व को विकसित करते हैं और वो लाइब्रेरी कहाँ पर है? इन माई ओन माइंड. दैट्स इट. A person asked Swami Vivekananda, सब कुछ खोने से ज्यादा बुरा क्या है? And Swamiji replied, वो उम्मीद खोना जिसके भरोसे पर हम सब कुछ वापस पा सकते हैं. अगर आपको कुछ खो गया, लस्ट जो हमने डिस्कशन किए थे, फेलियर आर यू, उसमें हम बहुत कुछ पॉइंट्स बोले एंड सी व्हाट स्वामी जी हैड टॉट अस. वो उम्मीद खोना जिसके भरोसे पर हम सब कुछ वापस पा सकते हैं. नेवर लूज दैट डिजायर एंड बिलीव, दैट इनर कोर बिलीव विद इन योरसेल्फ दैट इवन इफ आई लूज एवरीथिंग आई कैन गेट बैक. Very recently, we have a new American president, Joe Biden. And by this time, almost by virtue of the internet knowledge, each and every person who are savvy with the internet has came across the brief life story of Joe Biden. See how relevant Swami Vivekananda was. And you can correlate that with this message of Swamiji with the life of Joe Biden. Purity, patience, and perseverance, the 3 P's of life, are the 3 essentials to success, and above all, love. If you can love the person whom you see on the mirror, you can love the universe. You can do good for human race. So again, the 3 P's: purity, patience, and perseverance. When I asked God for strength, He gave me difficult situations to face. When I asked God for brain and brawn, He gave me puzzles in life to solve. When I asked God for happiness, He showed me some unhappy people. When I asked God for wealth, He showed me how to work hard. When I asked God for favors, He showed me opportunities to work hard. When I asked God for peace, He showed me how to help others. God gave me nothing I wanted. Rather, He gave me everything I needed. But are we in that receiving end to get the gift from the God? This is the message from Swami Vivekananda. It's a common say. Where there is a will, there is a way. You are going through the streets and you have a flat tire. What will you do? Will you die on this barren desert, or you will stroll down the road to search for the next ride or to get your tire repaired? Thank you for all my viewers who had been with us for last so many months since the lockdown. If our project can help at least few of the people who are watching this video, I think our purpose will be served. And please do like, subscribe, and share the video, and do comment, give your suggestions, so that we can bring some better content and some more motivational videos in the coming weeks. Thank you.